Welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the main garden and we are going to plant some popcorn. South American style. I don't know what it means, what that means. South American, I just bought it because it's cheap. It looks pretty good, it looks like popcorn. So first time we've done this. We've done a lot of first times this year. Our cold crops are broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi, turnips. It's all first time for us. I got some kale, asparagus, rhubarb, onions, all that's first time. So we're just gonna keep on with that theme with some popcorn. So I'm out here at the, if you remember we laid the plastic down, I left one row out. So I'm gonna put 3 rows of popcorn here and hopefully 2 rows of sorghum down on the end. Maybe, or I could put cabbage down. I got 25 cabbage I got to do. I could do that down there and I could put the sorghum somewhere else. So I don't know. We'll think about it, but first thing we're going to do is this. I got the old house cedar here and I got a number 5 plate in it. So what I did the other day, I planted some more sweet corn and I made a colossal mistake. I finished planting that variety we was doing, Quick Remedy. Went to revision, which is a different variety with the same plate. Come to find out it's double plating, and as I went about 2 or 3 rows, I thought, good grief, it's eating a lot of, it double seeded it. The holes were too big in the plate, so I thought when I got through, I thought, man, it's eating the seed. Because it seemed like it takes forever to run through it, so I got to look and I didn't check it, and that seed's a lot smaller than the other, and it was double seeding it. So I got a number 5. And then I took some tape and covered every other hole because that would be too close to planting. So I got tape here, I got tape here, and I got tape here. Every other hole was covered. And I finished planting that. So we put about 8 more rows of sweet corn in the other day. And I'll show you that in an update video. So I'm just gonna leave this in here. We're gonna try this popcorn. I'm gonna do 3 rows here. And I don't know, we'll see what it does. So. See, I think I'm gonna go about, I don't know, halfway, you think? And then come back and then go back. So
it's where that first shadow, to the end of that first shadow.
Yeah, I'll go to the end of that first shadow of that tree. You ready? Okay, now you can see it's working good. Okay, there's one with the tape. Nothing in it. See how it goes by it? And there's one seed that's gonna drop. See the one seed? So it's looking good. I think the biggest thing I found out about this cedar is don't go too fast. I tend to push it too fast and feel like it skips. You just kind of got to take your time.
Is it okay to walk in where you seeded?
Huh?
Walk in where you seeded?
Yeah, probably. I don't know. It's actually doing better than that sweet corn I planted the other day.
That's
It's
good.
kind of in between sizes, so I hope it comes up. We'll find out. We're supposed to get some rain. That's why we're doing this today. All right, one more row. I might have enough. All right, there you go, our popcorn. South American yellow popcorn seed, 110 days. So today's what? April 27th. What's 110 days plus that?
Yeah.
April, May.
July. We're in the middle of July.
Middle of July, we might have some popcorn. Our whole thinking is probably
middle of August.
Middle of August. There we go, calculating. We ain't very good. Some of that new math. We're the old math people. Our whole thinking is trying it and putting it in jars and selling it at the farmstead, so we have something in the fall to sell along with our other stuff, because we kind of get kind of weak on the end there. And that was what I was thinking. So this is kind of a trial. If it does good, we'll plow up more ground and do a bigger stand. So, and I think this was only half a pound was $2 or $3.30 or something like that. So I've got probably a quarter pound left, and so there you go. So there you go. That's our popcorn planted for a little test plot here, and we'll see how it does. We'll keep you informed. Appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down at the farm next video.